In this video, I'll show you how to scrape Better Business Bureau business listings automatically using Apify. We'll extract data like business names, phone numbers, addresses, BBB ratings, accreditation status, and industry categories. Perfect for local lead generation and sales prospecting. The whole process only takes a couple of minutes. First, go to bbb.org and search for the type of business you want to target. For example, let's search for home improvement in Los Angeles. Once the results load, take note of the search keyword and location. You'll enter those directly into the scraper. Now go to Apify and search for BBB Advanced Scraper. Open the actor page. Enter your search keyword. For example, home improvement. Set the location. For example, Los Angeles, California. Then click Start. The scraper will now collect business data from BBB automatically. The run usually takes less than a minute, depending on how many listings you're collecting. Once the run finishes, open the dataset to see the results. Each record contains the business name, address, phone number, BBB rating, accreditation status, industry categories, location, and a direct link to the BBB profile. You can export the dataset as CSV, JSON, or Excel, ready to import into your CRM or open in a spreadsheet. Use this data to build targeted outreach lists, enrich your existing contacts with ratings and accreditation status, or analyze local business markets across any industry and location. The link to the scraper is in the description below. Thanks for watching.